In this short tutorial, you will learn how to reduce motion on your iPhone. If you find that the moving animations and effects on your iPhone are making you feel dizzy or uncomfortable, it's important to know that you can reduce these motions to make using your phone easier. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, and then scroll down until you see an option called Accessibility. Tap on it. After that, tap Motion. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Reduce Motion. Reduce the motion of the user interface, including the parallax effect of icons. To reduce motion on your iPhone, simply toggle on this switch next to the Reduce Motion option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.